Hey there, Handy Mora here from Simple Video Press, and I'm going to take a few minutes of your time to show you exactly how easy it is to set up Simple Video Press on your WordPress site. Now the first thing you need to do is go to the settings and connect your YouTube channel to the plugin. Now this is really simple. You click the red sign in with Google button and choose your account and follow a few steps, and that connection will be there in a few minutes. Once you have your YouTube channel connected to the plugin, it is simple from here. You go to the settings page under Simple Video Press, and the only choices you need to make right now are whether you want to auto-publish your videos or keep them as draft. Choose a WordPress category that you want to assign these video posts to, and decide whether you want all your videos imported or specific playlists from your YouTube channel. And that's it. You go down to the bottom, you go ahead and save your changes, and you click import now. So the import may take a few minutes depending how many videos you have, but the beauty is you never have to come back to this settings page again. Everything will happen automatically. From now on, every time you upload a new video, it will automatically create a new WordPress post on your website, and it will check for a new video every hour. Now let's go check out what the post looks like. Under the post section, I see all my posts are currently in draft. That's the setting I set. Now let's go edit one of these real quick. A few things I want to point out. First, the title comes directly from the title from your YouTube channel. All the keywords and tags are automatically imported as WordPress tags. And the featured image, your custom thumbnail or your YouTube thumbnail, comes directly as your featured image on your blog post. How cool is that? So let's go ahead and preview the post and see what it looks like. So here it is. We have the Simple Video Press player. It comes with your social media profiles. You got links to your Facebook channels, your Twitter channels, Google+. You got your video player. You got an option to brand your video player. You got a logo up here. You got your share buttons for Facebook, Twitter, Google+, and an opt-in box to collect emails. Now every single one of these is fully customizable, from colors to styles to which one you want on, which one you want off. And I'll get into that a little bit later. And last but not least, you've got all your YouTube comments automatically imported onto your WordPress site. That shows Google that you've got real social engagement and people are actually interacting on your site, which helps with search engine rankings. So now I'm going to take a minute and show you some of the cool customizations you can make to the video player itself. First thing you can do is upload a logo. Now this logo, especially if you put a transparent background on it, it'll look really slick on top of your videos. You can even set a link to where you want it to go to in case you want to link out to a different site. You got options to customize the colors of the player itself. You have options to turn on or off any of the social media network platforms that you have, Google+, LinkedIn, Facebook. You can even turn on or off the colors or the actual buttons for Facebook, Twitter, and Google+ sharing. We also have options for custom buttons. Let's say you host webinars and you want to put a link to your webinar registration page. You can put your own custom button and make it link out to any page on or off your site. If you're doing affiliate marketing, you can link out to put your affiliate links to other products. You put a custom button, and these buttons show up below the player. Now we also added some buttons inside the player. So while you're watching a video, you can have a button, call to action button, appear bottom right or any of the corners of a video, and you can make it go anywhere you want. You can have it come up at a specific time. For example, you can have it come up after 20 seconds and then it'll automatically go away, let's say 10 seconds later. So you can customize exactly when the buttons show up, how long they stay for, and when they go away, and where they link out to. All this inside the player. I'm going to show you how that works. So in this section here is where you configure the opt-in box itself. Now what you saw earlier was the opt-in box below the video. Now we added one inside the video, and here's how you set it up. So you have the option to do it just below, just inside, or both below and inside the video, which is pretty cool. You can choose your option if you want name and email, email only, a two-step opt-in with name and email, two-step opt-in with email only. Now two-step opt-in is pretty cool because what it does is it allows you to put a button that gets people to click it. For example, register for my webinar now or get my free ebook now. When they click it, a pop-up comes up and they actually fill in their name and email. It's less intrusive and it's been proven to convert higher. Now this feature is great. You can have the opt-in appear at a specific time. So you can set it up so that the video plays for 30 seconds, then it automatically pauses and the pop-up appears inside the video player asking them to opt in. Now that's pretty cool. Now just down here you customize the colors of your opt-in box, and last but not least you give it a headline, subheadline, the HTML code that you get from your autoresponder. We support MailChimp, GetResponse, Aweber, anything with any HTML code. You just copy it from your provider, paste it in here. Really, really simple. And last, you can customize your submit button. So I'm going to go ahead and save the changes. I'm going to walk you through what the player looks like now. So here we are back on our page, and the first thing you'll notice is a brand new custom button that we added. Now I'm going to show you inside the player the two settings we configured for the opt-in box and the call to action buttons inside the video. These are really slick. So I'm going to go ahead and press play. And there we go, 6 seconds into it. That's what I set it up to be. An opt-in box showed up. Pauses the video, gives you an opportunity to have someone, your watcher, your viewer, sign up for your newsletter. Their eyes are already on the video, so it's a perfect spot to capture their email. But at the same time, it's not annoying, it's not frustrating, because they do have the option to hit close and keep watching. Now next thing you'll notice is the buttons. So very subtle. On the bottom right, we have buttons customized to go anywhere you want. In our case, we added a button to join our webinar. So this button will show up for about 10 seconds or so and will automatically disappear. So that is pretty slick. Another cool feature is when anytime someone pauses a video, the opt-in box comes back. So it gives them another opportunity for you to collect emails.